The term food for the soul is used across various cultures to refer to a type of nourishment that goes beyond physical and bodily needs, relating instead to inner peace, happiness, and personal growth. This concept is not limited to physical food and calories, but encompasses experiences, activities, and relationships that nourish and enhance our spirit and psyche. Food for the soul can include diverse elements such as artistic, cultural, spiritual, and social experiences. Artistic experiences, like music, painting, theater, or literature, can evoke deep emotions and connect us with our inner world. Music, for instance, has the power to convey various emotions and greatly improve our mental and emotional well-being. Spiritual experiences also play a crucial role in nourishing the soul. These can include meditation, yoga, worship, or seeking deeper meaning in life. When an individual seeks a deeper meaning and adheres to values and principles, they may experience greater peace and satisfaction. This type of soul nourishment can help a person achieve higher levels of self-awareness and personal growth. Human relationships are another significant aspect of soul food. Honest, loving, and supportive connections can provide a sense of belonging and security. Friends, family, and even everyday social interactions can enhance our mood and psyche. These forms of soul nourishment can help us feel happiness and satisfaction with others and provide support and resilience during challenging times. Food for the soul can also mean self-care and attention to inner needs. This includes taking time for oneself, mental exercises, and activities that contribute to overall well-being. Activities like reading inspiring books, spending time in nature, or learning new skills can provide a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. Overall, food for the soul refers to nourishment that addresses our deeper, inner needs and can improve our quality of life and sense of happiness. This type of nourishment helps us enjoy various aspects of our lives and achieve inner balance and harmony. Therefore, recognizing and meeting our spiritual and psychological needs is as important as meeting our physical needs and can lead to a richer and more meaningful life experience.